Hi everyone, I am doing a very impromptu live because there's some information I want to get out to you before the weekend is over, and I know that things can kind of get a little crazy. So let me pull this up so that I can make sure that I can see your comments. Let me know that you're here if you're watching on replay. Like I said, this wasn't really a planned YouTube live, but sometimes that's the best ones, right? All right, so let me get that done and I should be able to start seeing. Oh, let me go back here, hold on. All right. Okay, so as most of you know, the annual catalog launched this week. So if you haven't gotten one yet, I still have copies available at my office. If you're local, you're more than welcome to pick those up. If you're not local, I do have a sign up form, and after this video is over, if you're watching on Facebook, I'll put it in the comments section. If you're watching on a YouTube replay, I will put it in the description, but that's where you can go to fill out a form to have this catalog sent to you. So a couple of things. I am going to be doing one more designer series paper share. So I'm just going to open it up to this page. And I will show you all the papers, but most of the papers are 12 by 12, and if you were to order all of them, it's almost $200. So what I do is I give you a share of those papers. So for instance, I will split these among 4 different people. I'm going to put one more order in on Monday morning. So if you want to get in on this paper share, I will put another order in on Monday morning and you can get in on that. Right now I've got room for 2 more in a share, and certainly I could open up another one if we wanted to. So again, if you want that, like all these papers are included, let me just show you what that looks like once it's all cut and ready to go. This is a big stack of paper, guys. So right here is that paper. So this is about, I would say about 3 inches thick. It's pretty thick, and that is every paper, every new paper that's in there. I didn't include the In Good Taste paper just because it did carry over, but look how cute. I know these peaches have been really popular. How cute are those? There's another little peach paper. This little fall paper is really pretty. That's with the trees. I love, love, love this paper, and I can't wait to work with it. It's got a lot of gold foiling, and it's got these beautiful flower images too. But yeah, more foil paper. You can see we've got just lots of gorgeous paper. This is a great way for you to sample the paper, see what you like, and then that way you can order more. So I will put the link to purchase the paper share. It is on my blog, and I will put that link in the comments also. So again, I am taking just a few more, and if you want to get on that, let me know. But paper shares are a great way to sample some of that new product. The other thing I did post this week was the color coach, and I just want to send out a quick reminder about that. So I did a video that tells you all about the color coach and all of the little cards you can do. So the downloads are available now on my blog. You just download these and then you print those on basic white cardstock, cut them apart to 3 inches by 4 inches, and then just add those to the page protectors along with cardstock swatches. If you don't have all of the cardstock, do not worry. I will be shipping out more of these cardstock samplers on Monday. So if you want one of those, the link is in the blog post for the color coach. So that was mentioned on my blog this week. And finally, something new for today is Paper Pumpkin this month has a special offer. And this month's kit, it has a baseball theme to it. So batter up. It features 9 materials to make 9 different cards, all with kind of a masculine theme to them. And this month, if you are a brand new subscriber, when you go to sign up, if you enter this code up here at the top, you can get this month's kit for $5. So they've only allocated a few kits for this. So if this is something you want, I didn't want to wait until Monday to tell you about it. You really don't have a lot of time to act on this. So paper pumpkin kits are always incredible. They come with an ink spot, they come with a stamp set, and then your materials to make your cards. So to make 9 cards, you'll pay just $5. So again, I'll put my paper pumpkin link in the comments, and then just use home run 0521 and you can get this month's kit for $5. Now, once those allocated kits run out, they will turn that number off, so they won't make any more of those available. So I hope that you'll get in on that tonight, or at least early on Saturday morning. So if you have any questions about anything, feel free to message me and let me know. So again, I'm going to put up information about the gigantic paper share, also the color coach and getting your little paper swatches, and for your paper pumpkin, and to get one of our brand new 2021-2022 annual catalogs. There was one other thing I was going to share with you. If you order $50 or more in my online store this month, I will be sending you a free gift. I believe I have those over here on my desk. Let me see. So those that order $50 or more will receive the In Color Jewels as a thank you from me. And if you are interested in joining my team this month, we have a great deal where you pick out $155 worth of product and you pay just $99 plus tax. I've had quite a few people take advantage of that one already, so that's a great opportunity. And the final thing to tell you about is hosting a workshop this month. So if you would like to host a workshop, basically collect orders under a host code, when you reach $250 in workshop sales, you will get an additional $25 in host rewards, also known as free merchandise. Now, I've had a couple of customers that took advantage of that. They placed a big catalog order of $250, and they were able to collect the $50 in host rewards for themselves. So you are more than welcome to do that too. But if you have any questions about any of that, like I said, feel free to give me a holler. You can message me on Facebook or send me an email. I'm always here to answer your questions. So thank you so much for watching tonight. Have a wonderful weekend. I am working on some fantastic projects this weekend. I can't wait to share those with you. Thanks for watching.